Hello, Yuri.
Hi, Yuri.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Wait, picture time.
Hello. Okay, so we're playing a little game with Veritas and Erwin, but first I'd like to thank everyone so much for coming today and celebrating Veritas and Erwin's engagement. Finally.
Hey. I've heard it.
I hope you've had a lot to drink so this will be more entertaining. Okay, so we're playing a game. It's my version of the newlywed game, but it's the newly engaged game. So this is to just see how much they know about each other and for you guys to know more about them as well as a couple. It's really easy. We're just gonna ask a question and there's only two answers. It's either Veritas or Erwin. And so, yeah, like I'm gonna demonstrate right now.
We're gonna demonstrate.
We're gonna demonstrate right now. Okay, the question is, who is prettier? Alright, so both of you guys just make sure to face the signs the other way so that everyone can see it, okay? So I've divided them into categories, past, present, and future. So let's warm up with the past.
Oh shit.
Okay. Ready?
Can we chime in?
Yeah, for sure. Cheer them on. Okay. Who said I love you first?
Erwin.
Me.
Okay. Who initiated
No doubt
the
about it.
first kiss?
Oh, dude, come on now.
Who has changed the most?
That's
It's heavy. It's getting harder.
In what way?
I don't know, good or bad. From the first time you met.
That one's
Can we do both?
Sure.
Okay, then that's easy.
Well, Owen, you chose your answer.
we could choose.
Okay, so now I'm moving into the present. So this is just questions that apply to your current relationship. Who nags more? Who is better at beer pong? Who is the bigger Warriors fan?
Oh, come on, Dad.
Okay. Who is a better driver?
She's hiding behind.
Who do you think is winning this game? Who smells better? This game. Who smells better? Okay. Who would survive longer on a deserted island?
I will too.
Who is a better kisser? I'm sorry, are you not supposed to kiss as a couple? I was joking, they don't do that. Okay.
No answer.
It's me. In a zombie apocalypse, who would get eaten first? Okay, and now for some questions about the future.
Is that your question, dude? No.
Who will be cooking dinner for the kids?
That's why you married him.
Who will change the first diaper?
There you go.
And you're broke.
bad best man. Who will forget their wedding anniversary first?
I don't even know what date it is right now.
Who will give their kids a talk about the birds and the bees? And lastly, who will be the first person to let themselves go? Thanks for playing, guys. I hope everyone learned more about Maritas and Erwin, and I hope you guys know how they relate as a couple and what makes them work now. So thank you again for coming. And cheers to surviving the zombie apocalypse.